This easy recipe for American buttermilk fried chicken is the only one you'll ever need. Let's get started.
Delicious.
Let's start with the marinade. Add about 2 pounds of chicken thighs, 2 cups of buttermilk, tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of salt, You want to marinate the chicken in the fridge for at least an hour or preferably overnight. For the dry ingredients, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, tablespoon of smoked paprika, then, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2½ tablespoons salt, black pepper, about ½ teaspoon is good. Mix well. Deep fry the chicken at 375 degrees until golden brown. That is it. Enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, please support us by subscribing and hitting the like button.
Delicious.